everyone, today we are going to learn about air and water. There are many questions about air and water. Let's have a look on the first question. What are the properties of air? What is air? Define air. Let's have a look on the answer. Answer. Air has weight. It occupies space. Air has mass. It occupies air. It occupies space. Let's have a look on the second question. Gas present in the air. Which gas is present in the air? Which gas is present in the atmosphere? Let's have a look on the answer. Answer. Nitrogen air and oxygen air. Gas present in the air is nitrogen air and oxygen air. Let's have a look on the next question. Applications of air pressure. What applications of air pressure? Let's have a look on the answer. Vacuum cleaners. Working of airplanes. Let's have a look on the next question. Process of removing insoluble impurities. Process of removing insoluble impurities. Let's have a look on the answer. Sedimentation, decantation. Let's have a look on the next. Use the distilled water. Use of distilled water. Let's have a look. What is the use of distilled water? Let's have a look on the answer. Car batteries. Car batteries, medicines. Let's have a look on the next. You have to separate orange juice from its pulp. You should separate orange juice from its pulp. Which out of these processes would you use? Sedimentation and decantation or filtration? Why? It is telling you should separate an orange juice from its pulp. Which process you will use? Sedimentation or decantation or filtration, and why would you use that? Let's have a look on the answer. Filtration, because it is easy, quick and more renewable. You should use filtration because it is easy, quick and more renewable. Let's have a look on the next question. Iron grills in our windows and gates are painted. Iron grills in our windows and gates are painted. Let's have a look on the answer. When iron objects come in contact with air, they rust. When iron objects come in the contact with air, they rest because of the water vapor present in the air. To prevent iron grills and gates from rusting, they are painted. When iron objects come in contact with the air, they rusted because the water vapor present in the air. To prevent iron grills from rusting, for all to do this, they are painted. Let's have a look on the next. Third question. Astronauts can't survive without oxygen cylinders in space. Why? Why cannot astronauts can survive without oxygen in space? Cylinders in space. Why can't they survive? Let's have look on the answer. Answer. There is no molecular oxygen available in space for breathing. Hence, astronauts need to carry oxygen cylinders to space for their survival. There are no molecules oxygen available in space for breathing. Hence, astronauts need to carry cylinders to survive in the space. Let's have a look on the next question. An inflated balloon is heavier than the one which is not. An inflated balloon is heavier than the other one which is not. Let's have a look on the answer. Air weight, air weight and it occupies space. Hence, an inflated balloon is heavier than the balloon that is not inflated. Air has weight. Air occupies space, and hence an inflated balloon is heavier than the balloon that is not inflated. Let's see the next. An astronaut needs oxygen cylinder when he travels to the space. An astronaut needs oxygen and cylinder when he travels to the space. Let's have a look on the answer. Why? There is no molecules and breathable oxygen in space, and astronauts need to carry oxygen cylinders when he travels to space, or they can't survive. Let's have a look on the next question. Filter papers can be used to separate solids. Let's have a look on the next question. Air conditioners have removable filters in them to get cleaner airflow. Air conditioners have removable filter in them to get cleaner airflow. Answer. Answer. The dust particles in the air get filtered through the filters on of an air conditioner. This part of the device needs to be cleaned to remove collecting of dust, and the dust particles in the air get filtered through the filters of an air conditioner. This part of the device needs to clean to remove colony of dust. Let's have a look on the next. Distilled water is the purest form of water. Why is the distilled water is the purest form of water? Let's have a look on the answer. Distilled water does not contain any impurities and is considered as the purest form of water. Distilled water does not have or contain any impurest water, so it is considered as the purest form of water. Let's have a look on the next question. What is air pressure? What is air pressure? Define air pressure. Let's have a look on the answer. Air has weight and it occupies space. Air exerts pressure. This pressure is called air pressure. What is air pressure? Air pressure occupies space and mass. Air exert pressure. So this pressure is called air pressure. Let's have a look on the next question. Name the different layers of the atmosphere. We should name the different layers of atmosphere. How many layers are there? Let's have a look on the answer. The 5 layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. Are they are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. How does the ozone layer protect the earth? How does ozone layer protects the earth? Let's have a look on the answer. The ozone layer absorbs harmful radiations from the sun and prevents the theme from reaching the earth's surface. The ozone layer prevents takes harmful radiations from the sun and prevents them from reaching the earth's surface. Let's have a look on the next. Why should we drink purified water? Why should we drink pure water? Let's have a look on the answer. Purified water is free of germs and other harmful substances. Thus, it is fit for drinking. It doesn't have any germs. If you drink impurest water, then you can get sick, fall sick. So, purified water you should drink. Let's have a look on the next question. Write any 2 applications of filtration in daily life. You should. How does the ozone layer protects the earth? How does ozone layer protects the earth? Let's have a look on the answer. The ozone layer absorbs harmful radiations from the sun and prevents them from reaching the earth's surface. The ozone layer absorbs the harmful radiations from the sun, example sunlight, prevents them from reaching the earth's surface. Let's have a look on the next question. What is the difference between troposphere and stratosphere? Explain with of diagram. What is different between troposphere and stratosphere? We should explain it with a picture, with a diagram. Let's have a look on the answer. Troposphere. This is the first layer of the atmosphere, just above the ground. Troposphere is where we live in. Troposphere is where the most Aero- Aeroplanes fly, the weather changes take place in the layer. Let's have a look on the stratosphere. Stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. The ozone layer is a part of stratosphere. The ozone layer absorbs harmful radiation from the sun and stops them from reaching the earth's surface. Jet. Let's have a look on the next question. How will you prove the air exerts pressure? Explain with the help of a diagram. How will you tell others that air exerts pressure? Explain it with a picture. As you can see in the left, there is already a picture. So let's have see the answer. Answer. Fill a plastic cup with water. Place the index card on the top of the cup. Hold the index card tightly against the mouth of the plastic cup and turn the cup upside down. Carefully remove your hands holding the index card in place. You will observe the index card does not fall. It is because the pressure of air outside the plastic cup is pushing the card up. This shows air exert pressures on objects. Let's have a look on the next. Define distillation and list the steps involved in this process. Define distillation and list the steps involved in this process. You can see in the left there is a process, so let's move to the answer. Answer. Distillation is a process that can be used to separate a pure liquid from mixture of liquids due to the difference in their boiling points. The process involves the following steps. Impure water is heated in a round bottom flakes. Impure water is heated in the round bottom flakes. You can see here round bottom flake. Water evaporates to form water vapor. Impurities left behind. Water vapor passes through the condensers and cool down from the water. Pure water collected and separate the container. Let's have a look on the next question. Explain the steps involving the water purification before it's supplied to our home. You can see in the right there is a diagram, so you should explain it from here. Let's have a look on the answer. The drinking water that's supplied to our homes is first treated to make it fit for drinking. The following steps are used in this process. Sedimentation. Water is collected in a large tank where a lot of impurities are removed by the process of sedimentation. Chemicals such as alum are added in to increase the rate of sedimentation. Aeration Aeration is the process in which the oxygen contains of water is increasing. Filtration after sedimentation, finer impurities are removed by the process of filtration. Chlorination. It is the process of adding chlorine to water to kill harmful germs found in water. Chlorination can be done at any point during the water purification process. The purified water is then supplied to our home.